Have you ever pondered the importance of security in AI technologies? As we venture further into the 21st century, the rise of AI technologies has become a prominent feature of our rapidly advancing world. From streamlining operations in healthcare to making financial transactions more efficient, AI is being integrated into various sectors at an unprecedented pace. And with this integration comes the pressing need for robust and reliable security measures. Why, you might ask? Because these technologies are not just tools. They hold sensitive data, make critical decisions, and are integral to our daily lives. Therefore, ensuring their security is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. As we allow these AI technologies to become part of our world, we must also ensure that they are fortified with the strongest security measures available. With this in mind, let's delve into how we can use ChatGPT to strengthen security. So, what exactly is ChatGPT, you might ask? Well, let's delve into it. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It's a computer program that's been expertly trained to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a conversation with a friend where you type a message and they respond. ChatGPT works in a similar way. You give it a prompt, say a sentence or a question, and it produces a response. But instead of a human on the other end, it's an AI, and it's generating responses that are remarkably coherent and contextually relevant. Now, this isn't just a fancy chatbot, far from it. The applications of ChatGPT are vast. It can be used to draft emails, write articles, create engaging content, and so much more. It's like having your personal assistant who can write in a style that's indistinguishable from a human's. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT isn't just about convenience, it's also a powerful tool for enhancing security. How? Well, it can help detect and respond to security threats in real time, it can simulate cyber attacks for training purposes, and it can even help in automating routine security tasks. ChatGPT is a testament to how far AI technologies have come, and it's a glimpse into a future where such models become an integral part of our digital lives. Now that we understand what ChatGPT is, we can discuss how it can be used to enhance security. Ready to learn how to use ChatGPT to strengthen security? First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a conversation with a machine that understands context, can generate creative responses, and even mimic a particular writing style. But how does this relate to security? Well, let's break it down. Step 1 is inputting data into the model. ChatGPT thrives on data. The more quality data it receives, the better the output. This could be anything from historical security logs to recent chat transcripts. The idea is to give the model a comprehensive understanding of potential security threats and patterns. Now, on to step 2, understanding the output. Once you feed the data into ChatGPT, it starts processing and analyzing it. The model will then generate text that's relevant to the input. For instance, if you provide it with data related to phishing scams, ChatGPT might generate an output discussing potential phishing strategies or warning signs. It's important to analyze this output carefully and understand the insights it provides. The third step is utilizing this output to improve security measures. Once ChatGPT has provided its insights, it's time to put them to work. This could involve updating security protocols, training staff on new threats, or even creating automated systems to detect and counter these threats. Remember, the goal here is to use the insights from ChatGPT to make your security stronger and more efficient. But we're not stopping at just using ChatGPT as a tool for understanding and mitigating threats. We can also train it to be proactive in identifying potential security threats. This is where step 4 comes in. Training ChatGPT to recognize certain patterns or anomalies in the data. With enough data and the right training, ChatGPT can learn to identify potential threats before they become a problem. For instance, it could flag unusual patterns in user behavior or detect anomalies in network traffic. This proactive approach allows you to address potential threats before they escalate, giving you an upper hand in maintaining security. In essence, ChatGPT can serve as a powerful ally in strengthening security. It's a tool that not only helps you understand and mitigate existing threats, but also equips you with the capabilities to anticipate and counter future ones. Remember, security is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and improving. And with tools like ChatGPT, we're better equipped to stay one step ahead of the game. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to strengthen security. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We started our journey with an overview of the significance of security in AI technologies. We discovered that as these technologies become more prevalent and sophisticated, so does the need for robust and reliable security measures. It's not just about protecting data anymore, but also about ensuring the integrity of AI systems and the outputs they produce. We then delved into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. This powerful AI tool can understand and generate human-like text, making it a game changer in several fields. However, like any other AI technology, ChatGPT is not immune to security challenges. This led us to the crux of our discussion, using ChatGPT to strengthen security. We learned that ChatGPT can be trained to identify and respond to potential security threats. By integrating ChatGPT into security protocols, we can leverage its capabilities to detect anomalies, analyze patterns, and even predict potential security breaches. But remember, using ChatGPT effectively requires a strong understanding of its functions and limitations. It's not a standalone solution, but a powerful tool that can complement existing security measures. Remember, as AI technologies continue to evolve, so too does the importance of robust security measures. By using tools like ChatGPT, we can help ensure these technologies are as secure as possible.